Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. So if you are tired of using Facebook or just want to deactivate Facebook for some reason, I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to deactivate it. So first go to your Google Chrome and log into your Facebook account. So once you're in your account, click on your profile on the right hand side and then click on settings and privacy and then click on settings. So now all you have to do is click on your Facebook information, and over here you can see the option for deactivation and deletion. So now click on view, and over here you have the option to deactivate your account or delete your account. Select anyone and click on next, and over here select any reason that you want to deactivate, and then you can even explain the further and then click on deactivate. So that is how you'll be able to deactivate your Facebook account. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.